Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving another LeetCode problem, that is 2260 minimum consecutive cards to pick up. I would highly recommend you should read the problem statement before jumping into the solution, because you know why, to get the intuition why this solution works. So let's get into the problem. What problem is asking? You have to get a substring or a sub array from given array which consists of duplicate, at least not at least exact one, sorry, exact one duplicate. You can have this much length sub array, but it doesn't satisfy. We need minimum is this. So if if we are doing something like this, making segments, two things should appear in your mind. First is two pointer and second is sliding window. Okay, what should we use over here? We would be using sliding window. Why? Because sliding window and two pointer are very similar things. Sliding two pointer becomes sliding window when window is variable size, and here we are making variable size window, so two pointer becomes sliding window. Not much difference. So you get it. What I'm trying to convey is, in two pointer there is condition on pointers, and same happens in sliding window. At some extent, variable size sliding window, at some extent we increase the window size, and after that certain condition is fulfilled, we try to see if that condition is still fulfilled in that minimum, or if it is still valid or not. So it is basically two pointer. So now, how to fit, or I'll go over this, sliding window, variable sized sliding. What we can do is just increase the window size. Distinct, not distinct. Okay, condition hit. Now what to do? Decrease the size. If 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 it is still valid, then it's okay. If it is not valid, then we will decrease it and then move again. If, for example, there was this, so we have to decrease it till over here. Then again we will increase it, and we will have the smallest substring, because we need minimum substring, sorry, subarray, both are same thing. Subarray that consists of one pair of duplicate, so it satisfies. So it doesn't mean that if you get for the first time the condition satisfied, so it doesn't mean that it will be followed, not followed, it will be the final answer. So what I'm saying is, and also, how can we identify that it was previously present? How to store history and access it fast? Our most known friend, unordered map of int comma int, in which key would be the value itself, the the value of nums, and the index. In value we have the index of that number, of that number, of that nums. You get what I'm saying is this index, because it would be easy, because just end minus start plus 1, we will get the size of the array, not array, sub array. It's very basic, very basic. What will be our algo? Even there is no need for algo, it's very basic. If you are following my videos, for newer audience, I have to discuss traverse. Traverse. If not present, then insert in the map. And also, if present, then also insert in the map. You must be wondering why. Because if we have something like this, which substring we would be having as our answer is this, not this, or even not this, because these are more sized, even not this sized substring. So you get the answer, you have to update, you have to get the latest location at which this or his or her brother was present, no gender wise. And if present, while in the present block, just calculate the length. That's it. Return the answer. Very basic. Let's try run it for the test case and see for ourselves that what I'm talking, does it hold true or not. 4 7. First time index it before. For the first time 3 appeared or 1 index for the at 4, at 1, 2, at 2, 3. It appeared before. It appeared before. So what will happen? Length. We will take length as int max. Why int max? Basic math. You want to get something minimum, take maximum. You will, in any case, will satisfy the main condition, because there is always something very greater, and in comparison, something else is present. Then and something else will be in the minimum. Basic maths. Use pen paper. What we will be doing is current index is 3, I minus its history 0, I over here is 3 minus 0 and the plus 1, 4, length will be 4. Also this would be updated into 3 to 4, 4. This time again something happened, but previous length was 3. Currently we are at 4th index. In past it was present at 1 plus 1. What does it give? 4. Is it less than 3? No. Still, sorry. Length was 4. My bad. Length was 4. It is great less than 4, not no, equal to 4. Again 7, for the first time it was present, where it occurred at 5. What is our answer? 4. You see for yourself that in two cases we got 4. It may change in other, but it is very simple solution. It is like at most K type question, at most K types question. I hope you get the solution. Let's see the code. Very basic size answer are best friend, ordered map, unordered map, and just basic loop iterating over the cards given array. If it is present, just calculate the answer. Even if it was present or not present, just put the latest happening in the book. And if the answer is int max, we didn't find any minimum subarray which satisfied the condition. What condition? That there should be a pair. What pair? Two matching cards. So we should return -1 as written over here also in this line. And if it is not the case, we are not having int max. Just return the answer. So let's submit it and see for ourselves whether it is running or not. Yeah, it is running. So see you guys in the another one. You guys are awesome. Till then, keep grinding and bye.